Get baby soft pink lips in 15 minutes with one ingredient only. Lip discoloration is a common issue, and many of you face it. There are many causes of it, such as an excessive use of lip products, dry skin, dehydration, and exposure to the rays of the sun. The dark color of your lips makes your lips look ugly. What to use to restore the natural pink color of your lips? In the video below, I am going to share with you the recipe to make a natural lip scrub at home to get baby soft pink lips in 15 minutes. This remedy is tested and it gives wonderful results fast. Dark lips treatment at home with this scrub. To make 100% effective and natural lip scrub at home to treat the dark color of your lips, the ingredients you need are: ingredients: coriander leaves, half bunch; mint leaves, half bunch; sugar, half spoon; lemon. Procedure: take a blender jar and in it, add a half bunch of coriander leaves. After this, add a half bunch of mint leaves. Grind mint and coriander leaves, and make a fine paste. In it, add sugar and a few drops of lemon juice. Mix the ingredients well. Now, you will get the best DIY scrub to get baby soft pink lips in 15 minutes ready for use. How to use: scrub your lips with this mixture and leave it for 15 minutes. Wash it off after 15 minutes. You can also use the remedy for whitening your facial skin. This easy to make scrub to get baby soft pink lips in 15 minutes is 100% effective, and it gives surprising results in 15 minutes only. The scrub is also safe for all of you, and it does not cause any damage to the sensitive skin of your lips. So, if your lips are dark and dull, try this remedy and have baby soft, pink lips.